So it's third day in December, relatively quiet today regarding my side of job, so I'm just going to get a job done what I've been going to do for the last couple of weeks. But let's get priorities in order. So today I'm just going to do a service on this Ford Focus 1 litre EcoBoost. Just get around. So yeah, little Ford Focus 1 litre EcoBoost, commonly known as the EcoBoom. So we're just going to change the oil and the oil filter. Quite important to get these serviced regular due to wet belt. So yeah, let's get going and let's get priorities sorted. So first things first, I've got this jacked up. I'll show you. So I use the jacking points there. As you can see, we've got his axle stand underneath to make it completely safe. But yeah, get on that jacking point just here. Everything else is plastic, so you don't want to be damaging that trim. So now we've got the car up in air. You can see there, look, white oil filter. So that's where we need to be aiming. So we need to go underneath, and as we can see, we've got a tray on it, so we need to remove that tray first. So that's your under tray off. As you can see, these are all your holes where the screws were, and all you need for that is a T30 Torx and a ratchet. You can see underneath, everything's visible. So yeah, we just need to take some plug out, which is there, and then we're just going to wind this filter off and just remove all oil. So all we're going to need for this is a 13mm socket and a ratchet, and obviously the drip tray to collect all the waste oil. There we go. As you'll see, same position. And out, and there's your oil. So now that's drained, we'll give the old sun plug a wipe. And you can change these if you really want to. This is relatively low mileage, so this should be okay. So yeah, just give that a wipe. Sun plug back in. Always quick and finger tight. And that's it, we're back in. Give it a wipe. Then the next thing we need to remove is the oil filter. Hopefully this has been put on by hand. It should twist off. So remember, oil tray underneath, because this is going to let a little bit of oil out as well. Nice and steady. You can see oil filters off. Again, wait for that to drain completely, and then we're ready for a new oil and filter. So because they have so many problems with these wet belts, we're going for a little bit better oil. So total oil, and then a blueprint oil filter. Just a bit of a shout out to the lads at Motor Parts Direct in Barnsley for supplying these. So we've got his old oil filter on. Compare it. Filter. This is a new one. To me it looks identical. So what we're going to do with this new filter seals all around it and everything. And all we're going to do is get a little bit of oil, run it around the seal. So now all that oil's drained, just going to give it a little wipe on the oil filter housing. Make sure there's no debris on it. Onto the seal. Perfect. New oil filter. Screw on. Put it on and tight. That is literally as tight as it needs to be. Again, give it a little wipe round. And that's your new oil filter on. So because I adopt the fail to prepare, prepare to fail theory, I've already done my research. And we take 4.5 litres. So I've got it already, hang on 4.5 litres. Put this in. Now we're not to do it too quick. If a good spout us. 4.5 litres. Cap back on. One final inspection. So again, one final inspection. Make sure there's no leakage from the oil filter. And there's no leakage from the sump plug. All relatively clean, and we're ready for the under tray. So all we're going to do now, put the under tray back in position. And that is us in place. So all we need to do now is just come around filling all the rest in. And we're ready to start the back up. So now we're back up as actual stands. We're on level ground. Just going to try this oil, see where we are level wise. Like I say, it should take 4.5 litres. And that's perfect. That's exactly where we need to be. So what I always do when I service a car, and I always have done, you just turn it over a couple of times, start it, stop it, start it, stop it. In my theory, that's going to circulate all your engine oil and get everything where it needs to be before we start it again. So now that bit's done, I'm going to take the service light out. And all we're going to do with this one is just press on the 3 lines here, which brings you that box up. You just press OK again on information. Scroll down with the OK button to oil life. Press OK. Reset oil life. Again, press OK. Hold to reset. So keep your fingers on OK. Oil life reset successful. And that's it, all done. So yeah, quite an easy job on a Wednesday afternoon. Like I said, early December. It's quite mild today, so I thought I'd get this one knocked off. So if this video has been of use to you, please give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.